Blizzard 2011. Get some footage of the snow. Hi! Snow. Yeah, you are. The street's not even plowed. We plowed into the street. Oh, yeah. This is the end of our driveway. This is the street where they plowed.
They did it.
Alyssa at 12. Lexi, she's 2.
Mom?
Are you freezing yet?
Huh?
Are you freezing? You ready to go in the house? You ready to go in the house?
Look, here she comes.
Burrs, freezing.
I'm freezing.
No?
Ready?
Okay, I'm going in the house. I'm freezing.
Look at me.
Look at the shovel in the snow to the ground. Look.
I'm gonna push myself, okay?
Look how much snow, man.